I think this might be the nicest freaking vintage tow truck I have ever seen. I spotted this guy earlier. He was just basically like just buffing it out and dusting it off, and this truck was restored. And I think this is actually maybe the same truck that used to be in Saint Henri for years. It was blue. It was an '85. Maybe I'm wrong because the grill is not an '85, but the grill is older. Maybe it's older than that. Maybe it's more like an '83. I think it's beautiful condition. I mean, I've never seen like I said, a tow truck this old in this condition. Usually they're all in terrible shape. The old man got out there and he went to, look at this. Everything here has been renewed on this truck. It's amazing. Look, even has a Chevrolet writing there. Hold on. Take a little look here inside. Oh yeah, very nice, very nice, very nice rig. Yeah. Jesus, Murphy, that thing is nice. He left. I think he left his radio on though. I saw it from afar. He was in a parking lot, and I saw that this, like, you know, well, it's not a push bar, but it's a push bumper, which of course only tow trucks, like, you know, garages, gas stations had those to push customer cars that didn't run. Amazing. But the last time I saw a Chevy or a GMC with that type of a grille with the two headlights, I think might have been like many years ago when I spotted one like that, medium duty like this. It was where was it? It was in the, what was it? Look, and this is the typical thing. Everything black. Oh, there he is. There's my buddy. Yeah, my new friend. He's one of my big fans. Anyway, that was where? In Villemard? Hey, you left the stereo on in there. Oh, he's got a battery there. That's a beautiful rig. I can't believe how nice that thing is. It's a breath of fresh air, a beautiful bright red paint and chrome, and basically a time of proven technology. Prove it. Thanks for watching. And listen to that, boys and girls. It's gas powered, man. It's not a diesel. That's a big deal, man. It's a gas sucking. Actually, I was going to say it's a gas sucking machine. It's not a gas sucking machine because diesel costs even more than regular fuel today.